Good afternoon. Today I'm at Watauga Dam near the visitor center, and I'm looking out toward Watauga Point where I caught that trophy fish last time I was here. I'm gonna try to get a few more smallmouth today if I can. Let's see. There's a fish. Not a giant, but still. Oh, easy, buddy. Hang on, I about got it. Not bad. Little guy. Let's see. Yeah, there's a decent one. I gotta find some more to land in. Walk my way this way. There we go. Perfect. Just barely got her. The very corner of the lip there, very edge of it. Let's see. There it went. Hey, not a bad fish. Let's put her back. I think I just seen a rock bass right there. Oh, nope, it's a bass. Oh, that's a good one. Yeah, I need a better spot to land in, but I don't have much available here. I wouldn't have thrown in there if I didn't think I was a rock bass. So, I'm gonna try to ease down the bank. I see a spot. buddy. Try to get you out quick. I think I might have to try to get down here. Yep. That's the play. That's an awkward spot. Right on top of some catfish bones. Let's see. Some more catfish bones. Come here, buddy. I think I got you now. Yeah, there we go. That's a decent one. Whew. Not a bad fish. Let's get you back in there. I know that was kind of tough for you. Phew, that was fun. Now I gotta try to get back up this bank. I think I'm gonna get here. Throw my rod up. Tree's not really stable. Might get a hold of these roots. They're not stable either. Yikes. This ain't good. My rock, not stable. That one ain't either. Oh. Whew. Didn't know I was going climbing today. Yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and leave and get something to eat and call it a day. We had a good time, caught plenty of fish, and if you had a good time with me, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.